Hot.
Yeah, that's the one.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Hot. Hot. When you matter down, split hot so hot. Then I talk about kill them.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nessa, and today we are doing a review on one of my favorite brands. It is, drum roll please. It is TB, aka Tory Burch. So today I am doing a review. If you hear me, I'm actually opening the bag. I'm going to do a review on one of my favorite bags from them, along with a slipper. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so we're back. I'm going to unbox the bag. This is what it looks like. I actually got it in the mail. It retails for, if you can see that right here, or maybe not, it retails for $358. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, it retails for $358. However, I got it on sale for $158. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. So that's a big steal, which is why I was like, in the cart checkout, thanks. Yeah. So, and it's so crazy because I actually wanted the one that was more like the actual yellow, because this is like a lime lemon. This is a lemon, so shade. And I actually wanted the lime because the slipper that I have is more, no, I actually wanted the yellow, and this is more of a lemon lime yellow, I guess, shade. So yeah. But as I said, as soon as I actually hit checkout, well, actually went on the website to purchase the yellow one, it sold out. Yeah, so I had to get this one, but it's all right. I still like it. So it comes with a little pouch, which I love. I can put it in a little dust bag, and then it has, of course, the cotton, and the straps are inside, of course. So as I said, this is actually my first somewhat bag unboxing of this purse, and it's a lot of paper in here. Jesus. It's a lot of paper. So on the inside of the bag, you have like two little pocket slots right here. You can put whatever you want, your receipts, and then you have like a zipper part right here over on this side. It is pretty roomy. It can fit a lot of stuff in here, more so like your phone, a medium to small size wallet, car keys, your AirPods, so forth. The strap is pretty long, so it's like this, like you can just drop it right there like that, and it'll just catch me like weight to my what is that, my upper thigh, pretty much. So yeah, I don't really want to take off all of this because I do buy a lot of this stuff sometimes for specific events that haven't come up yet, either a birthday or vacation or something. So this is kind of like what I bought this one for. This is gonna take a little time to get off, but as you can see, because I want you guys to see the handle, so I'll just take it to a certain point. So it looks like this, and then it has like a gold. So this is on pretty much both sides. The chain is right here, if you can see that, and then it's so that's pretty much the bag. So yeah, so as I was saying, it is adjustable, so you can make it longer. As I said, just me throwing it over my arm like this, it reaches my upper thigh, but I can make it longer if I want to. So that's really good. And then it can also go crossways, like sideways, as what is that, a mailman crossbody. Yeah, crossbody bag. Yeah, crossbody. So yeah, you can adjust it any way you want. You see the adjustable straps right here, and this is like the little thing to And that's pretty much it on the bag. It's super, super, super cute, lightweight. It feels amazing. Okay, this feels amazing. This, I love this, the TT logo. Tory, you definitely did that when you did this. This is so cute. And it can wear with pretty much anything, I guess. You can just throw on anything with this and just go. But I do have some slippers that I really want to wear with them, so I will show you right now. Okay, so the best part is here. The shoes. The shoes. So this is what the box looks like, and this is an actual shoe unboxing because, as I said, I got these 5 months ago, and I just had them in here. Just kept them in their original packaging. So this is what the box looks like, the inside, the TT logo. This is the cover, and this is what it looks like inside. It comes with your little message here, your little sticker, and just Tory just saying, you know, thanks for shopping. This is your receipt, which I'm thankful for because I actually forgot how much each item was, and I'm glad the bag had the original receipt, but then I remembered I got it at a huge discount. So with the shoe, I'm normally a 9, but in these I got it a 9.5 because I knew. I kind of blind bought them online, but I had a feeling that the 9 was not going to fit, so I had to go up a half size because I do have wide feet. Now let's see the price. We in Houston, we may have a problem, but they are called the Double T Sport Slide. I will link the name of the bag. I will link the name of the bag because I don't remember what the name of the bag was, and I'm pretty sure I didn't say it. I will link the name of the bag. And then it comes with the 2 shoe dust bags as usual, which I love. And then time for the goodies. So here they are. Oh my god, they're so cute. My little squeaky voice when I'm excited. But here it is. Yeah, and if you're wondering, I keep flicking my hair back because my little side part today wants to weigh down on my lash that I barely got on today. Yeah, that's a new trend for me, just letting you know. I always have a hard time with my lashes. It's just not for me, and I'm fine with that. I've accepted that. I lied, I have not accepted that. I'm going to keep trying. But back to the goodie. So it has the TT logo and then the Tory Burch on the sole of the shoe. It is a beautiful, I'm sure you can see that it's pink. It got a light brown, yellow, white, and cream. And then this right here up here is cream TT with the gold around the rim trim. It's beautiful. However, with this shoe, never worn, 9.5, you see it. The major problem for someone who has wide feet, here are your problems, okay? You will need to go up a whole size or a half size to be extremely comfortable. A whole size to be okay. Okay, no problem. A half size. And it has an extra cushion, which isn't normal. Normally in this type of slide, they have the other ones that are just not in this pattern. They're just regular TT logo right here, and then they're just in one shade. They don't have the extra cushion right here. If you can see that, the raised cushion, they normally don't have that. It's just straight flatness all the way through, so it kind of gives your feet a little bit more room to kind of slide in freely. This is very cushiony. If you can see that, it feels like you're on a cloud, so you will need to go up a size or half size in order to feel comfortable or okay. Only if your feet is wide. So other than that, it's pretty much good. But this is what it looks like, and I would give these a 10 out of 10. Hell, even 100 out of 100, because they are beautiful, okay? Look at that. Look at it. And the bag, definitely a 10. Definitely is gonna go with this. I'm probably gonna do like full white with this, like a dress or something. Yeah, so I can't wait to wear them. I'm gonna wear them on vacay. I'm so excited. So yeah, I just wanted to do a simple short review on my new favorite items. I've had them for a few months and I'm excited to wear them. Thanks for watching.